Welcome back to Runaway Roses. Today I just have a quick little tip for all you Bigfoot owners. If you have a Bigfoot camper, these windows up there, they're pretty difficult to get the black streaks off, and if you know, if you have a Bigfoot camper, these windows can get streaks on them and they're hard to clean, and I got the solution for you. Let's check it out. So on these windows, they are thermal windows, but they get these streaks, as you can see right there, comes off that black trim. And pretty much all Bigfoot campers that have these windows, they get those streaks, and I have the super easy way to clean those off because they are very difficult. Glass cleaner does not get them off, and you gotta do some serious scrubbing, and it's very frustrating. So if you wanna find out how to get it off, let me show you. So what I found that works great is this Goof Off Pro Strength Remover. I just squirt a little bit on a paper towel, and now I come up here. I just got done washing the camper, so it is good and clean. The windows are clean, so I would recommend cleaning the windows beforehand. But then in order to get these streaks off, we're gonna go ahead and put some of this Goof Off on a paper towel and wipe them right off. Let's check it out. All right, so open the spout here. I'm just gonna kind of squirt some on there. Set it down. Gonna come up here to these streaks and take that area, and they will just wipe right off. It's pretty amazing. This Goof Off just takes that film off, and there you go. It's easy as that. May have to add some more, but let's see how far I can go with it. It's still cleaning. Whatever's on my paper towel here. There you go. Streaks are gone. I need to come over to this side, clean this window here. Well, there you go. Got some clean windows on the Bigfoot. They can be very difficult to clean, so if you have a Bigfoot, you're going to try this, the Goof Off Pro Strength, and those streaks will wipe right off. So there you go, just a good little Bigfoot tip for you. See you on the next one.